Hey, what's going on? Keith from Trigger Happy, and just finally picked up the 2024 4Runner TRD Pro. So this is not a review, simply a walk around and simply to say, if your dealer will not sell you a vehicle in this condition, which is completely untouched. I mean, I had them leave plastic on everything. This is the way I want to buy a car, that I get to figure out how I want to set it up. I don't want your dirty brushes and mitts all over my paint. I'll take care of it myself. So thank you to Donwood Automotive in Athens, Ohio for doing just that and selling me the truck in just the condition I wanted. So really short video, and I'll have a full review on this very soon, but I'm very pleased with the look and everything about this truck. So I can't wait to start unwrapping it and see what we get into. So stay tuned. I'll have a review on this truck and some other thoughts about Toyota in general upcoming now that this entire transaction has completed. So thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon.